Setting up a production line often requires a lot of data from multiple sources, and the result is never right the first time around. More time is always spent to rebalance the line the first few days into production. Now, imagine a solution that gets it right the first time and can quickly rebalance your line in case of changes during production. Introducing LTie, a part of Team Connect manufacturing execution system designed to help your IEs quickly achieve maximum productivity by leveraging the power of cloud computing. LTie automatically generates the optimal line configuration, and with the built-in skills matrix, will match your most qualified operators for each operation. Changes happen, and when it does, our mobile app includes shop floor tools for your IE to quickly perform a real-time time study, capture downtime, change operators, and of course, monitor and receive KPI alerts throughout the day. Line rebalancing has never been easier and faster with cloud computing processing data straight from the shop floor and sending it to your computer instantly. Our real-time KPI dashboard provides shop floor consistency and is designed to highlight potential root causes impacting productivity. Ultimately, LTie leverages your data to maximize production efficiency to achieve faster lead times and lower cost. Get started on our website today to see how LTie can help maximize your production efficiency.